Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and I am back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean an Insinkerator garbage disposal. I have 3 quick and easy steps for you today. This is going to help prevent smells in your garbage disposal or get rid of smells that you might already have. Of course, before we get started, make sure you've cleaned the sink out and you've got the garbage disposal turned off. Then the first thing that you're going to do is remove the splash guard that's inside of the drain. All you have to do to remove this is gently pull up on that rubber splash guard that's sitting in there. If you've never cleaned your splash guard, you'll notice that there's a lot of scum on the bottom of that splash guard that is probably very stinky. So if you notice that you have a lot of smells coming from your kitchen sink drain, this is going to be one of the major sources of that smell. So to make sure that we get rid of that smell completely, to clean off the bottom of that splash guard, you're going to use an old toothbrush or something similar, some dish soap, and some hot water. All you have to do is gently scrub away all of that scum that's on the bottom of that splash guard and any that might be even on the top of your splash guard. Get your splash guard really clean, top and bottom, and set that aside for step number 2. Step number 2 is cleaning inside of your garbage disposal. So if you look down into my garbage disposal right now, it looks pretty clean on the bottom of the garbage disposal, but where all of the stink and the smell is hiding is around the top upper rim of the garbage disposal that you can't really see. So grab that old toothbrush again or a bottle brush or something that you can get inside of that garbage disposal with and clean the upper lip or the upper rim inside of that garbage disposal. You'll find a lot of that same stinky slime that was hiding on your splash guard is also hiding along the upper part of your garbage disposal. If you decide that you need to put your hand inside of your garbage disposal, I like to make sure that the power to the garbage disposal is always turned off. So either do that at the breaker or unplug your garbage disposal from under the sink. Some garbage disposals also have an on-off switch. So one of those 3 ways, turn off your garbage disposal. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Once you've scrubbed the inside of that garbage disposal clean, rinse out that garbage disposal with a pot of boiling hot water. That boiling water is going to help to rinse away any fatty residues or slime that might be left behind from what you've just cleaned off, and it's also going to help to disinfect that whole area. And the third and final step to clean an Insinkerator garbage disposal is going to be cutting up 1 lemon into 8 different pieces. Put all of those pieces into your garbage disposal with a large container of ice and a bunch of table salt. Then pop the splash guard back into place and run your garbage disposal with the water on. Grinding those 3 things up in your garbage disposal helps to deodorize it, but also remove anything else that might be hiding in that garbage disposal causing odors. All right, that's it for how to clean an Insinkerator garbage disposal. Make sure you're doing all 3 of these steps once a month to keep your garbage disposal clean and smelling fresh. If you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments below. I do try to answer them whenever I get a chance. All right, thanks guys.